Good morning, children. Today we are going to study moral science. So take out this book, Living Values. Chapter 3, God is Great. Okay, so take out pages 9. So children, now we will be doing revision of living values. God is great. Chapter 3. See here, children. God has made this world. God has made this world means all creature. He made the earth and the sky. You know earth and sky. So who made the earth and the sky? So God. He made the land and the sea. So God made the land and the sea also. He made the mountains and the valleys. God made, who made? God made the mountains and the valleys. He made the animals and the birds. So God made the animals and the birds. God made the sun, the moon, and the stars. Okay, so God made the sun, the moon, and the stars. God made us, mean human beings. Us means human beings and everything around us. God is indeed very great. So children, God has made this world. He made the earth and the sky. He made the land and the sea. He made the mountains and the valleys. He made the animals and the birds. God made the sun, the moon, and the stars. God made us and everything around us. So, God is indeed very great. Say, all things bright and beautiful. Bright and beautiful. All creatures, great and small. All things wise and wonderful. The great God made them all. So God is great. Okay. Chapter 9. God is great. Next page. Page 10. Exercise A. Answer this question. Okay. See. Answer this question. Why is God great? Why is God great? I write here the answer, right side C. God is great because He has made this world. God is great because He has made this world. Next, number 2 question. Why did God make the sun? Why did God make the sun? So answer is God made the sun because it gives us light and heat. Number 2 answer, God made the sun because it gives us light and heat. Number 3 question, who made the tiger and the lions? Number 3 answer, I write here right side, God made the tiger and the lions. God made the tigers and the lions. Okay. So number A question is very important. So practice. Okay. Next B. See. B write true or false next to each. Number 1. See here. Number 1. God number B B see here. Number 1. God is great than the mountain. It's true or false? Okay. So repeat again. God is great than the mountains. Number 2. Telephones are more powerful than God. Yes. So you write true. Otherwise wrong. Statements is wrong. So you write here false. Okay. Number 3. God did not make mosquitoes and snakes. Sentence is right. Statement is right, children. So you write the answer true. Otherwise false. So let's see answer. See here. See. Uh, B. I write the answer here. B. First, number 1. God is great than the mountain. True. Telephones. Number 2. Telephones are more powerful than God. False. Okay. Next, God did not make mosquitoes and snakes. False. I write here false. Okay. So I hope everyone understood. Next, children, C. Question C. Okay. Question C. Question C. Name two great men, not man, men. So name two great men and two great women. Okay. So I write next question. See, everyone follow me. I write here the answer. See answer here. Great men name Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose. Okay, great men Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose. Next, great women Mother Teresa, Sarojini Naidu. Okay, so right here. Next D. See here. D question is, are they greater than God? Are they greater than God? Answer I write here. No, they are not greater than God. Children, it is very important. Are they greater than God? No, they are not greater than God. So children, practice this page 10. I hope everyone understood. Next page 10. See here. E. Copy the poems from the lessons. This poem. God has made this world. He made the earth and the sky. He made the land and the sea. He made the mountains and the valleys. He made the animals and the birds. God made the sun, the moon, and the stars. God made us and everything around us. God is indeed very great. All things bright and beautiful, all creatures great and small, all things wise and wonderful. The great God made them all. So you write here. Next, F. Draw or paste. You can draw, so you draw. You can collect the picture. Okay, paste pictures of any 6 beautiful things that God has made. Okay, so you collect, and otherwise you draw. You collect the picture, so you paste 6 beautiful things, okay, that God has made. So I hope everyone understood. Next, take out your school diary. Take out, write your homework chapter 3, pages 9, 10, 11. So I hope everyone understood. So children, practice. Okay.